Dear God, please help our family come together in love and understanding. Remove the walls that divide us and replace them with bridges of compassion. Let us be united in joy and in sorrow, sharing each moment as one family. Bless us with the gift of unity. Heavenly Father, if there are rifts within our family, we ask for your healing touch to mend them. Guide us in forgiving one another for past wrongs. Give us the strength and wisdom to move forward in love and unity. Reunite our family, Lord, so that we may grow stronger together. Dear God, we ask that you grant our family wisdom and unity as we make important decisions. Help us to consider each other's views respectfully and to aim for the greater good of our family. Lord, as we gather for family occasions, let there be unity among us. Remove any tension, rivalry, or jealousy that may exist and replace it with love and understanding. Dear Lord, thank you for the gift of family. Help us to be tightly knit like threads in a fabric that cannot be torn apart. Let the love we share be a testament to your grace and an example for others to follow.